Welcome to our video on how to make a quick and easy banana cake. This recipe is perfect for when you're short on time but still want to enjoy a delicious homemade dessert. Here are the ingredients you will need. 2 ripe bananas, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now let's get started with the steps. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, 180 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, mash the bananas with a fork or potato masher until they are smooth and creamy. Add the sugar, vegetable oil, egg, and vanilla extract to the bowl with the mashed bananas. Mix well with a whisk until everything is combined. In a separate bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and mix until everything is well combined. Pour the batter into a greased 8-inch, 20 cm, cake pan. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. And that's it. Your quick and easy banana cake is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve it with whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra special treat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and hacks on life.